Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today we're going to be assembling the playfield on this Night Rider. Now this is probably going to be long and kind of boring and weird and not too super interesting. So what I'm going to do is have my daughter super speed up this whole process to make it really quick and fast, and you can see what I'm doing. And if I clap my hands, she will stop the video and I will show you what I'm doing to alleviate some weird issue or something like that. I just want to make sure these were all cleaned, and I did clean them. So let's get going. Alright, that's kind of done with the top of the Playfield. I have to put a couple more screws in a couple more piece places. I have to put nuts on the back of these because they had nuts on them, which are right here. And then there's a couple other things that had some nuts on it to hold them down. I have to finish securing the ramp here, which has screws on the back side of it. And I think that's about it. The rest of the screws go for the top. We got plastics that go around the top. They hold that down. And that's like about it. I ran out of washers. I remember I had some really scrubby, nasty washers I didn't like, so I tossed them out. So that's why we got extras. I mean, we needed extras because of that. So I'm going to do my last little bit on this, and next time you see it, it will be inside the machine and we will have it fired up. So I'm going to get this, flip her over, and finish putting a miscellaneous couple little nuts that go on the back to hold things. So cool stuff on the bottom here. Thumbs up, please like and subscribe, and my usual words, I'll see you later.